southbound on Stephen Carr. What are you doing, dude? Evening shade, is that going to be our spot? We've gone far enough, bro. We'll be here southbound on Same. 1037 southbound on Same. EMS, wrecked out EMS. Find him, keep an eye on him. Gray sweatshirt went around the back. I've got one on the ground, passengers on the ground. Stay still, stay still. Stay still.
Please help me.
Yes, ma'am. What's hurting on you?
Everything.
Okay. Stay still. Expedite EMS, please.
I told him to stop, bro.
You got one ejected and the driver went off behind just east of me. I'll get a straight.
He left me, bro.
Yeah, he did. Okay, you're okay. Hey, EMS isn't around, okay? Everything's hurting on you?
I don't want to move.
No, don't.
Oh my god, please, bro, what the fuck?
No, not really. Y'all can head.
Okay.
Just hang tight, okay? You're okay. I got you. I'm gonna stay here with it. What was he wearing? Gray hoodie, had a backpack. What color was the backpack? Tan backpack. Pants? Short pants, probably shorts, tan. He also had a ponytail, and the witnesses advised possible firearm.
Oh my fucking god, bro.
Okay, we got EMS coming. I just want you to hang tight, okay?
I told him to stop.
Just hang tight.
I can't, please, I can't.
I can't. I'm not going to move you.
Oh my god, I can't.
Okay?
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, bro, what the fuck? Oh my god. Ow, oh my god, I can't.
I know.
Bro, I can't, I'm gonna freak out. I can't. Bro, this is not just happening.
My freaking radio's not working.
I can't.
No, don't move.
I can't.
I know, well, don't move.
I can't breathe like this.
Yes, ma'am. I got you. Hang on.
Oh my god, oh my god. Oh, I can't.
No.
Please,
Stay.
Hurry, please.
I'm doing the best I can.
I'm freaking the fuck. Oh my god, bro.
Well, if Fayetteville has a canine, we could use them as well.
10-4.
Do you have a name?
Zoe.
Zoe, what's your life name?
Zoe Wilson, I already know. Anybody at the drill. It's 10-0806, please. Oh my god, my back.
Yes, ma'am. Just hang tight. It's a little bruised up back there, okay? We're just gonna...
No, I'm scared.
No, you're okay. EMS is coming.
Scared.
says Zoe Wilson?
Yes, bro, please, I'm scared.
Yes, EMS is right there.
I'm scared.
What's your birthday again? Talk.
10/08/06.
10/08/06?
Yes, I'm scared.
Who were you in the car with?
Stolen.
Huh?
Dustin Paulman.
Dustin Paulman?
Yes.
Dustin, how do you spell Paulman?
Paulman.
Paulman?
Yes, you guys are looking for him, okay?
Well, possible suspect in Fayetteville knows who he is. Dustin Paulman, Paulman.
Oh my god, bro.
They're right there, okay?
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Why, bro? I'm hurt. Can you tell me the truth? Is it bad?
Huh?
Is it bad?
It didn't look good.
No, stop. Oh my god, bro,
Well, see if Fayetteville will work a crash on this. If not, I'll handle it.
No. I told him no. I'm
She was ejected out of the car. She was? Yeah, she was ejected out of the car whenever it rolled.
Is there another one?
Yes, we got told too. Yeah, well, he took off running. I was chasing him. Okay,
So he's on foot?
Yep.
Okay. Only one patient, the other one's on foot. Okay.
Heck, this is I'm dragging here. Where's that fucking GPS? Where'd it go? Sorry, I didn't mean to use that word. Yeah.
Down here said they didn't see where he ran through. But he ran behind this building here.
He could be anywhere.
Gray sweatshirt, tan backpack, I think maybe tan shorts. They said he might have had a gun in his hand, so he took off, hit that street, went up behind that house, and went like up in there somewhere. They said they never saw anybody come through there. So
White or black?
White male has a ponytail. Dustin Paulman.
Dustin Paulman?
Yeah.
Dustin Paulman, he took off running, possibly has a gun?
Yeah, unless that name sounds familiar, so. Huh? Yeah.
You need us for anything else?
No, that's perfect. That's perfect. I couldn't leave her, so.
Okay.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
What had they done?
Don't know yet.
Don't know yet?
Well,
They just started running from me back there, so I don't know yet.
Okay.
I'm sure with the backpack and everything else, probably drugs.
Yeah.